Welcome to Rome Tech. Don't forget to subscribe and hit that like button for more content like this. All the links mentioned in this overview are down in the description below. This video covers my personal experience with Ecwid by Lightspeed review setting up my dropshipping store. Ecwid by Lightspeed is a platform that allows you to create and manage an online dropshipping store. It's primarily aimed at entrepreneurs and small business owners looking to sell products online without holding any inventory. Key features include product management, order processing, integrated shipping, and marketing tools. Their website provides details on various plans and pricing. Ecwid boasts seamless integration with existing websites and social media platforms, making it easier to reach a wider audience. They emphasize ease of use and offer a free plan, making it accessible for beginners. They highlight no transaction fees on paid plans, differentiating them from some competitors. Ecwid uses a cloud-based platform, so you can access your store from anywhere. Availability is global, you can set up your store regardless of your location. Now, let's talk about my personal experience using Ecwid by Lightspeed to set up my dropshipping store. Getting started was surprisingly straightforward. The onboarding process guided me through the essential steps, and I had my basic store set up within an hour. Navigating the interface was intuitive. Adding products, connecting to my chosen dropshipping suppliers, and setting up shipping options were all pretty simple. I specifically tested adding a range of products, from phone cases to yoga mats, and the process was consistently smooth. The product management interface allows for bulk uploads and easy categorization, which was a huge time saver. Performance-wise, the store loaded quickly, and I didn't experience any glitches. I even tested making a few test purchases, and the entire process, from checkout to order confirmation, was seamless. I did have a quick question about integrating with Instagram, and their support responded within a day via email with clear instructions. I was really impressed by how intuitive the dashboard was, making it easy to track orders, manage inventory, and view sales data. The standout feature for me was definitely the seamless integration with various sales channels. One minor drawback was the limited customization options on the free plan. It took me a little while to get used to the more advanced settings for things like automated email marketing. Overall, I'm quite satisfied with Ecwid by Lightspeed. While the free plan has some limitations, it's a great starting point for beginners. That's my overview of Ecwid by Lightspeed for setting up a dropshipping store. If you found this helpful, please give it a thumbs up and subscribe to Rome Tech for more reviews and tech tips. Check the description for any relevant links. Thanks for watching.